What are you gonna do, big guy? Sit on me?
Don't tempt me.
Where's the Dragon Warrior?
How do you know you're not looking at her?
You think I'm a fool?
Who are you?
I've been asking the same question.
Bunny! What? Oh, sorry.
Nice.
You're bluffing! Shifu didn't teach you that.
Nope. I figured it out.